Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on graphing lines. So x equals -7, y equals 5. These are single points on a number line. X equals -7 is this point right here. Y equals 5 is this point right here. I like to start with a point. It makes me remember exactly what I'm doing. The thing is, that point isn't a line, and every line is graphable. So what I need to do is I have to realize that x is -7 when y is 1, x is -7 when y is -5. We have ourselves something called a vertical line. Now, if you were to ask what the slope of this line is, the slope of this line is undefined. It's undefined because the slope is a number over 0. And you can never have 0 in the denominator of a fraction. That doesn't mean there isn't a slope. It means it's just named undefined. Now for this next one, y is 5. Y is 5 if x is -3. Y is 5 if x is 8. What we have here is a horizontal line. It's a horizontal line because it looks like the horizon. We need it ruler straight with arrows. In this one, the slope is 0. Because slope is rise over run, and to get from this point to this point, we don't have to rise. It's like a floor that we can shuffle our feet on, whereas this is a wall that we cannot climb unless we're Spider-Man, and I am not Spider-Man. If you are, kudos. All right, for our next two graphs, these are a little bit more interesting. When you have a single variable, that's when you get your vertical and horizontal line. Two variables means your lines are going to be slanty. Okay. So for our first slant line, there's an implied +0, meaning that it goes through the origin. My slope is 5/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do not like graphing a line between 2 points. What if I counted wrong? Especially with 5/6, it is very easy to accidentally go 6/6 or 4/7 or just miscount. So the deal is, if our slope is 5/6, we could also write it as -5/6. That's how we get from here back here. So -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -6, -3, -6. And then when we put our ruler down, we see that we must have counted everything correctly because everything lines up beautifully. If it didn't, it would let us know we counted something wrong, and we would just have to recount to make sure we had everything correct. All right, for this next one, our y-intercept is -1. Our slope is a -2/3, -2 over a +3. I really want to highlight the fact that a negative slope only has one of the two directions negative. If they were both negative, we would be going positive. You can do the negative in the numerator for -2/3. You could do it in the denominator for 2 over -3. But a negative slope only has one of the two directions negative, not both. So -2 over a +3 or a +2 over a -3. Either way, we are getting a line that's going down with a constant slope. All right, so if I connect with a ruler straight line, add arrows because lines go forever, I have graphed my lines. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.